as you have learned that how to enter the two matching samples in SPSS software, and you have followed the procedure of Wilcoxon signed rank test, once you have followed that procedure, you will obtain a value which is known as the p-value of the required test. And as you know that if we have the small sample, then we will apply the Wilcoxon signed rank test to test certain assumptions about the median difference. But if the sample size is large, then Wilcoxon signed rank test may be approximated by the normal distribution. So now I'll be giving you the demonstration on to how to make use of the p-value to reject or accept our hypothesis about the median difference. So students, the problem in hand is that these are the data measurements of the heparin cofactor 2 to plasma protein ratios in a group of patients at baseline and then after 5 months after hemodialysis. तो हेमोडायलिसिस के दो रिलेटेड रिजल्ट्स आपने लिए हैं, एक बेसलाइन रिजल्ट और एक आफ्टर हेमोडायलिसिस रिजल्ट that are being taken after a period of 5 months. So the two measurements are being given and we have already entered this data into SPSS. Now we will have, and we follow the procedure of Wilcoxon signed rank test under SPSS. Now we'll see that what type of results we have obtained as far as the SPSS results are concerned. The hypothesis we have made about this test or this problem, they were under H0 we have MD is 0 and the alternative is that it is different from 0. Alpha is being taken as 0.05 and we are going to make use of the exact p-value under the SPSS for the Wilcoxon signed rank test. So students, this is the output window that we have obtained after following the procedure under SPSS for the Wilcoxon signed rank test. अब यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स आप देख सकते हैं आफ्टर माइनस बिफोर इज बीइंग कैलकुलेटेड. नेगेटिव रैंक्स जो हैं वो आपके पास 3 थे और नेगेटिव रैंक्स वो किनको कह रहे हैं जहाँ आफ्टर इज लेस देन बिफोर. देन वी हैव पॉजिटिव रैंक्स जो कि 8 थे और उनको वो डिफाइन कर रहा है वेयर आफ्टर वैल्यूज आर ग्रेटर देन बिफोर एंड देयर वाज अ सिंगल टाई. So where after and before result are exactly identical. Students, further उसने क्या किए हैं, इनके sum of ranks calculate किए, mean rank and sum of ranks. Sum of ranks for the negative values are 13.5, whereas for the positive values they are 52.5. Now, as far as the test statistic is concerned, ये देखिए आपका z value आ रही है -1.736. Now it's asymptotic as well as exact p value for the two-tailed as well as for one-tailed is being appeared. लेकिन students, if you remember, हमने pair of hypothesis जो choose किया था, that was a two-tailed test. And we were interested in calculating the exact p-value. So the exact p-value comes out to be 0.092. Now the critical region as far as the p-value is being concerned, we would have to set as that we reject H0 if the p-value that we have obtained from SPSS, it remains less than alpha, where what is alpha? Alpha is our observed p-value and it is 0.05. The students, our exact p-value was 0.092, that is greater than 0.05. That means we cannot reject our null hypothesis. We do not have a sufficient evidence to reject our null hypothesis. Therefore, we'll conclude that there is no difference between the two types of measurements that are being taken before the hemodialysis and after a period of 5 months of hemodialysis. So that means they are exactly identical to each other.